Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel.
And today we're going to be unboxing this
KTAXON piano. I got this online and it's very cheap for an 88 weight, fully weighted
and it's very
keyboard.
big.
And here's the package. The description says it weighed about 60 pounds. And I'm excited to look into this. It is a fraction of the cost if you buy like a Yamaha or like any other. It's like a tenth of a price of a, if you really buy a real piano, digital piano. So we'll see if this is good. It's for beginners, so my kids will be taught using this, so let's see if it's any good. So I'm going to show you the price for this item. So it was listed for $228 on eBay, but there was a coupon that dropped the price to like $180, which is a really good deal. So let's open it up.
We're going to receive it too.
Okay, get all the phone. That's me.
Phone. It looks like a cello.
Oh, it's actually upside down. I think we opened it upside down. Let's flip it over. So we have flipped it over. Okay. Okay, so the first thing here that's on the top are the legs. So here are the legs. So as you can see, this is metal, but they actually painted it to look like wood. And we've got 4 of those. 1, 2, and it came with this hardware for the legs. Okay, so the next thing we have here are a few accessories. So it comes with a headphone.
What is this one?
We got an adapter, like sticker, I think, a piano sticker. Excuse me. And then there is a screwdriver, a cleaning wipes, a holder, a piano music sheet holder. So it came with a bunch of accessories. I don't know what this is. I think this is a piano cover. It's like a velvet material. Yes, it is the cover.
Wow.
So that is kind of cool. And then there's this, I think this is a connector for your headphones. And there's the piano manual. So let's get the piano out. Don't see me. So it came with another box. So this is the foot pedal. It's made of plastic. There's the cord.
That's nice. They gave you a foot pedal.
And then there is the actual keyboard. It is pretty long. And you actually can see the keyboard. I think it looks like a drawer. Okay, so we managed to get that out.
Okay. So let's go see how this looks. Yeah.
I already like it. It's so cool. Pull it.
Get that out. Yeah, that's better.
Pull it up.
Is this sideways?
Pull the thing out.
Something? That looks like something. Here, Mommy, I got a trash bag.
So I'm gonna pull out this tape. You shouldn't pull the tape yet, I don't wanna.
I'll just try to
So there's 3 tapes. Try to remove that tape.
That's easy. Something over here.
Yay, you did it. Okay, so as you can see, this is really cool because it's very aesthetically pleasing. You can like make it like it looks like just a table, and then you can open it up and you have the music sheet board, which is super cool. And then so it came with to protect the thing. Pull this do it gently, very gently. Very gently. I don't want to wreck the keyboard thing. I mean, hold on. I'll hold it. Hold on. Be very gentle with this. No, we don't pull it like that. No. Got it. So now let's test out. As you can see, that is really nice. It feels like a weighted. It probably is not. It doesn't feel like the best, but it feels pretty weighted and feels really nice. So we've been using digital keyboards, which is not weighted, and you can tell the difference. So that's super cool. So now all we gotta do is assemble this.
Assemble what?
So I'm gonna show you the back part. Let's see what are the connections in the back. So as you can see, there's an audio. There's a covered thing here, audio in, audio out, USB MIDI, so you can connect it to your tablet or iPad. And then there's the plug, the adapter, and then there is a volume here. I'm not sure what are these things for, but oh, this is for earphones for your headset. So let's close it up so we could put the stand up now, Naomi. No, before closing it, you gotta fold this thing in and close it gently. And now you got a very nice, neat top. And also this top, it's like a laminate, but it feels really nice. It doesn't. It's not real wood, but it's like a very sleek and it's very aesthetically pleasing to look at. So for $180+, I think this is a super good deal. I'm not gonna say that just yet until I plug it in, but I'm already pleased with how it looks like. Okay, so right here we got the manual. It's a very short list. So picture at the back panel of the piano. Your screws. Oh, there's the back control. Yeah, it's a very small booklet. Okay, so let's flip this piano over and let's attach the legs. Just easy. So here I got the screws and the screwdriver it came with. Just a Phillips screwdriver. So specific instruction on how to attach the leg, so you just have to figure out which leg goes to which area. So there's some holes in here, 4 holes. Just put the screws in. So
Mom, I can't hold this anymore.
okay, you can put it down.
Nope, I'm not putting it down. I don't fail.
What I would suggest before actually pulling the sticker from the piano is put the leg first, just to keep the piano safe. But we've already pulled it out, so that's okay. So I'm just hand screwing this thing, and then I'm going to tighten it with this
Let me hand screw.
screwdriver that I came with. I'm not going to push too hard. I don't want to break the wood. So
Mom,
make sure
can I
it's
try?
tight. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so that one's tight. So we're going to finish all 4 legs, and we're going to show you how it looks like when it's standing up. Okay. Now we're screwing the last 2 legs. When you finish screwing the legs, you can adjust the height of the piano. See? I'm just going to hand tighten this one. So we're down to the last 2 legs. So just a word of advice, this piano is 51 inches long, so make sure to clear out a space of 51 inches. I've already measured that corner, it's 51 inches, so I'm going to put it there next to the window. So I'm here in the back of the keyboard. I finally managed to make it stand. I'm going to attach this charger over here, I believe. Let's see.
So pretty. Uh-oh, I think I'm in hand.
Attach the pedal and
I'll give you everything.
the adapter. We're gonna plug it in right now. Okay, that's plugged in.
I'll give you everything for it.
Pedal down here. I'm gonna attach it at the bottom, so it says your pedal jack. I'm gonna put it here in the bottom. There is our piano. Can you try to play it, Naomi? See if it works.
Okay.
There's no volume. This button in the back, and then there's the volume.
But
Here. That's the highest volume. Okay, down. I'm playing with the volume right now. Press it. That one is the lowest. Press the highest volume. So I just turned it on. It works, but the only thing that is a little bit that I wasn't really fond about is that the volume is in the back and the power switch is in the back. So you would have to guess the volume.
can I try?
Okay, go ahead.
Is
Good job. So that is our unboxing for today.
I get the seat.
We got a seat over there that I'm going to reuse. It's my old seat.
Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video. Bye.